Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use call out feature in Picsart. So if you guys didn't know, there is a feature called call out where you can add a message in your photo that is directed to us to the audience or to the ones who see the picture. And I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Here I've already add a cute little dog picture in my Picsart, and to use the call out feature, you can just browse over this toolbar at the bottom. The call out is at the very last. Here you can see there is call out. Just click on that. So you see a call out is like a comic bubble like this, but you can change the message. If you want to say something, for example, hi there. Okay, so you can also change the type of the bubbles like this. Okay, I'm going to just use this one right here. And after that, when you're done, just click on a check icon at the top, and you can adjust the position of the call out like so. You can also change the color like so. I'm going to just use this one right here, and you can also change the font. Okay, can change the font. I'm going to just choose the original, so because it's kind of cute and it fits the dog. You can also adjust the opacity of the call out, and there is also a blend. You can see you can adjust the blending of the call out. I'm going to just choose normal, and after that, when you're done, just click on the check icon and you can save your photo. Okay guys, so that is how you can use call out feature in Picsart. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.